Hi everyone, Si here from the Cine Film Factory. Hope we find everybody absolutely fine and dandy this week. So this week we've got a brand new vlog for you. We're coming to the end of July now, 2019. Got a new vlog for you. Hope you're liking the Jaws t-shirt I'm sporting for you all today. It's one of my all-time favourite films, Jaws. Don't know about everybody else, but it is a classic. If we face facts, it's so good. I'm yet to hopefully try and get it sit on original 35mm. That would be absolutely fantastic. But look, back to today's vlog for today. Right, what we've got to talk about today, we've got a couple of things. Really exciting week this week because we've got a relaunch of our website. So it's going to look similar to how our previous website looked, but there's even more content coming on there. New transfer footage. We've got some really nice film that we've done recently. One is 16mm nighttime in New York in Times Square. That looks beautiful, and we've done that to 2K, put that up, and there's some more features on the website for people to look at. So be sure to have a look and let us know what you think. Also, while we're on it, be sure to like all our social media pages, our Facebook, our Twitter, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest vlogs. But look, on for today and this week, on a bit of a dire note, I'm afraid, we are talking again about these tapes. So these ones this week, obviously the last vlog we did was about the video 8, the high 8 and the digital 8 that we were finding problems with. This week we're now talking about the VHS-c. So everybody remembers what the VHS-c tapes were. These are the little micro VHS tapes. You remember, used to have the adapter VHS cartridge that looked like a dummy VHS tape. You click the button, the door would open, and we pop these mini tapes in, close it, and it would make a motorized noise and it would open up to be a VHS tape. We've now found a problem that these have started developing. Not the VHS just yet, we haven't seen those. These little VHS-c tapes. We're finding now similar, I don't know why, similar process to the high 8 that we did before. The compound of the tape, so the structure of the physical tape. We had one in that was broken. We carried out the repair. A few seconds later, pop, it went again. You know, obviously no good. We've had a couple of jobs in probably over the past 3-4 weeks that have had that similar issue. Looked in the window, couldn't see any inherent moisture. So no mould ingress, you know, showing anything displaying there. Just literally, again, no rhyme or reason. The compound breaking. Obviously need to highlight this to you guys, that if anybody has got anything on this now medium, then it's our duty as film restorers to let you know that this is happening, identifying what we're seeing, so that we can make preparations to get your precious memories away from this into digital before obviously it gets to a point where they're all looking a bit yucky. I wonder, because we had a clear out in this studio quite recently, and we found an old camcorder in a bag, literally in the cupboard. It hadn't been looked at or opened up probably 10-15 years. Opened it up, put a hand in. What's that? And it's like somebody spilt a can of Coke or lemonade, you know, on a hot sunny day. The plastic all on the camcorder was really sticky, you know. Took it out, and guess what? The rubber is actually starting to decompose. So on the manufacturer, it was on a Sony Handycam. So if we're starting to get things like that happening now, that's a prime example. Nothing had been spilt in there. It's literally the rubber compound is just breaking down. And obviously if you think about the structure, there's nothing to film, absolutely nothing to tape, to film. Nothing to it, no, you know, no real purpose in it. But if that's happening to rubber, if rubber's now breaking down, then yeah, guys, that's not good at all for, you know, obviously the other things. And that is what I believe is that we're seeing with the Video 8. Now the VHS-c is that literally the compound of the tape is now just giving up. So that's probably enough from me on that topic. I think everybody understands all we want to do is now get these films away from that medium and into a new one. Quick thing that I want to talk about, and I'm just going to take it off my car shelf here. Really excited. I was at a local car festival here in Worthing yesterday, and I found, if that can make out, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a little Bedford van, Kodak cameras and films, and yeah, just wanted to share that. But the colour is absolutely spot on to the standard, the Super 8, the regular 8, and of course the Kodak Kodachrome from back in the day that that Kodak used to make. So the colour is absolutely spot on. It absolutely marries up with, it's almost like the Ferrari with the Rosso red, Kodak iconically with their yellow. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. So that's now got absolute pride of place with our obviously vintage car collection, which is absolutely great. So yeah, so that's about it for this week. New website gets launched this week, so be sure to have a look. Some really interesting articles in there. I had an interview done on me about a month ago for a magazine. They wanted to know more about the piece of 9.5mm film from Titanic that I worked on. I gave an interview on that. So you can read the interview on the page. That's another nice thing about the website, is where there's interviews and things done with me, then yeah, you can obviously have a read through that yourself, because not everybody's local to us, so may not have seen the issue of whatever. So it's over and out from me and my friend here on my t-shirt, Mr. Jaws. And be sure to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next vlog. I've got a couple coming up very soon of new content that I want to talk to you guys about. So thank you for your time in watching. Thank you for all your support you give to us here at the Cine Film Factory, and we look forward to producing another vlog for you very soon. Over and out.